Well, let me go down. All right, I'm going to open my fortune cookie and see what it says. Oh, do not let great ambitions overshadow small success. Isn't that the truth for today?
Isn't it just?
It's so perfect for today.
This is the week that I decided that I was going to learn something new and take a risk and let go of perfection. We got some great new vintage for the store. We put away the last of the Christmas at the cottage, and I taught Hattie something new. Did we have somebody drop something off yesterday that I'm not seeing downstairs? A couple of urns?
Ferns.
No, urns. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No way. Oh boy. I have an idea for this just to show how to make it look like spring. I'm not going to paint it or anything, but this is a vintage swan planter that I found on Marketplace quite some time ago, and it was in kind of rough shape and deteriorating quite a bit, so we gave it a paint job with Fusion Mineral Paint because it's indoor-outdoor and it will prevent that swan from continuing to deteriorate. But it turned out just beautiful. After adding some other spring details, it just puts us in the mood for a fresh look in the shop. This is a great idea, but if it works out right, we can get all of them in here.
Just paper towels.
Yeah, any kind of tissue.
Where's it gotta go? Oh, I see.
Yep, there you go. All those Santas are going down there. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. JR usually makes the coffee, but he must not have had a good night's sleep because he went back to bed, and so this morning, it's up to me. One of the unfinished projects in our house, JR built this out of all used lumber, used drawers. Actually, these are from his ex-wife. We literally do stuff as we can, and this has been needing to be painted for months, and I just haven't gotten to it. Maybe that's a good project to work on. Look how organized he is. It's like he's in charge of the coffee. We love this coffee maker. This was actually recommended by one of our very favorite picker friends. And in fact, we have got to go and visit her because she has a few things put aside for us. This is the day that I am going to take out that Gelli Plate and I'm going to try it. All right. This is a Gelli Plate. I have never used one before, but I'm about to try. Okay, so after hours of working on this thing and not knowing what I was doing, I tried and retried again, expecting perfect results. Right now, I feel like it looks like a big mess. And know that this is my first try. It's okay if it's not perfect. Yeah, but I can appreciate this first step in learning. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I got to admit, I wanted my first attempt to be perfect. We had snow. I like that fresh covering of white. Kind of covers all the dirt and ugliness.
This is Hattie. Hattie is 6 years old, and she got a sewing machine for Christmas. Hattie has no expectations other than to learn something new.
Good. Okay, so you made it to the corner. Put your needle down. Turn the whole pillow. So lift the presser foot. Good job, Hattie. Whoa, she's a speed demon. And you can cut through. Good job, Hattie. Aww. All right, so now we got a job to do. We got to get all those pins out of there. Thank you for helping, Mabel.
It's a pigeon party.
Here's what I want to do. I want to approach any new project just like Hattie and Mabel. They're not afraid to try. They have no expectations for perfection, and every accomplishment, no matter how small, brings great joy.
Oh my gosh! Wow. You made that so fast! Hattie! Wow. So cool!
Our first snow of the year, significant.
And you know what? Even though you say you don't want any snow, I like the way it looks. It covers up
It does.
all the dirt and grunge, and what lies beneath is still there. We try to cover it up and it's still there.
It's still there. Right?
Yeah, good life lesson, right? Any words of wisdom this week?
Shovel a path to get to your future.
This is Melanie. Melanie's my friend, and we love to create together. She doesn't have any experience with jelly plating either, other than she may have watched more videos than I have. We're going to try again.
I don't know. We're just going to go for it, I guess. I know. I want it to be, see, here's my problem. I want it to be perfect, and I've never done this before, so how can I expect it to be perfect, right? My heart is racing. I don't know why. It's not, I mean, this is a stupid piece of copy paper and some dabs of paint. I'm not ruining anything. I don't have anything that's irreversible that I can't throw away, right?
That's right.
It's fine because there was probably too much paint there anyways. You did it.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay.
Until my feet are hurting, and I need to keep on going further, 'cause I can't keep my mind off things I'd be better off to leave behind. Gotta be careful not to get stuck, and so I walk and I keep on walking. Though the shoes I wear are a mess.
Okay. Well, all right. So we're this is take 47, maybe. Learned that a dirty stencil is not a good thing. I hope that's it. Yes, but I think that's it. Melanie was pulling the paint from the jelly plate. All right. All right. Hey, look at our nails are. Oh no, they're not almost matching.
They're almost matching.
Nice neutros. I'm going to get mine done today. I'll tell you what's matching about them. Look at all the paint and crud on them.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's leaving the paint on there.
Look at the longer you let that dry. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
I know we were rushing taking it off.
There it is. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh.
High five.
High five is right.
So we figured out the longer you leave it on there, the better the pull is.
The world
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today while we learned some new skills. I hope that you can find joy in the small accomplishments and that you'll join us here again at L&J Goods while we continue to learn new things every week.
New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown.
Is that a wrap?
I don't know if it is or not. Not the other kind of rap. R-A-P?
Yes.
I've heard you try to rap before.
It doesn't work.
Do you have a rap that we can wrap up with?
No, I don't.
You know I'm leaving tomorrow.
Yes, I know.
I know. Are you going to miss me?
For a day.
What?
I mean, not for the first day. I do after that. Okay. All done.
Now it's a wrap?
It's a wrap. It's been wrapped. That's my mother used to be able to do that. Not
Your
me.
mother?
My mother used to be able to do that part.
Get out of here.
No.
That's funny.
All right, I'm out of here.
Okay, bye.